Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to read Pedro's Calf. So here it is a Peppa Pig video and story about Pedro's Calf. So do like, share and subscribe before we start. And if you want to read along, just buy a copy. And shh, there's a gift in the end. So watch it till the end to get the gift. Peppa and her friends are waiting for Madam Gazelle to start their music lesson. Miss Polly had a dolly, sings Madam Gazelle. What is that strange noise that is coming? Oh, somebody is not having a good throat.
Uh-oh.
Poor Pedro Pony has a nasty cough. Not to worry, says Madam Gazelle. I will ring Dr. Brown Bear. Dr. Brown Bear looks after everyone when they are poorly. So don't worry, he's going to come. Dr. Brown Bear picks up his medical kit, jumps in his doctor's car and drives straight to playgroup. I have got a cough, says Pedro. When Dr. Brown Bear arrives. It's nothing serious, says Dr. Brown Bear. But it may be catching, so we will give you some medicine. Ah, cries Pedro. It tastes like an old shoe full of jam. It's not good. Pedro says to the medicine. Susie Sheep and Danny Dog start to cough too. As I thought, says Dr. Brown Bear. Pedro's cough is catching to all.
Uh-oh.
He gives them both some cough medicine. It tastes of carpet flavored yogurt, says Susie. Yuck! It tastes of flowers, says Danny. None of them like the medicine. Oh, but they have to take it. Do you ever get ill, Dr. Brown Bear? Asks Peppa. I am never ill because I eat an apple a day, says Dr. Brown Bear. Soon it is home time and the parents arrive to pick up the children. I have got a cough, says Pedro. Dr. Brown Bear came to look after us, says Danny. All the adults starts coughing too. Peppa picks up the phone. Dr. Brown Bear, now all the grown-ups are ill, she says. Please come. Oh, all the grown-ups have caught the cough too. Now it is the grown-ups' turn to take the cough medicine. It tastes like custard and old socks, cries Madam Gazelle. All the grown-ups must take the medicine to help them feel better. No one likes the medicine. It's so bitter.
Uh-oh.
But everyone has to take it. He looks after you when you are ill? Asks Peppa again. No one looks after me, replies Dr. Brown Bear. I am never... Oh no! Dr. Brown Bear has got Pedro's cough too. Who will look after Dr. Brown Bear? Gasps Peppa. He is going to be ill. Somebody should take care of him too. Poor Dr. Brown Bear is taken to hospital. He has some visitors. Danny has brought some fruit. Susie has brought the medicine. Open wide, says Susie. Ugh, cries Dr. Brown Bear. It tastes like jammy yogurt flavored carpet shoe with flowery custard old socks. So first time Dr. Brown Bear tastes his own medicine and Susie Sheep plays her favorite nurse. Soon Dr. Brown Bear is feeling better. Everyone loves being looked after, even Dr. Brown Bear. And everyone is happy. Madam Gazelle has brought her guitar to sing a song for Dr. Brown Bear. I hope you really like this video. Do like, share and subscribe with your friends and take care not to catch cold and immediately take a medicine if you got one. So here is your gift. Enjoy. Take care. Bye-bye.
We are going to show you the game that has been built by Giggle Grow Coffee, and it is Alphabet Dash Pro. We're learning it in focus every tap. Click on the run game. Quickly do alphabetically all the alphabets before the time runs out, like this. Oh yeah, but if you do it wrong, it will show the wrong one. A, B, where is C? D, E, F. And keep on doing it so that you can complete it before the time runs out. There is K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yoo-hoo! So I have done it when the 72 seconds are still left. Share it with us by clicking on Giggle Grow Garvey, or you can simply share on your Facebook, Instagram, on TikTok by simply copying the message. If you want to try again, just click on Restart Game and a new game will start.